Stripe versus Adyen, which is actually better. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Stripe and Adyen. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built-in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup, which may be overwhelming for non developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Now, let's come towards Adyen. Adyen provides a seamless payment experience across online, in-app, and in-store transactions. Supports a wide range of payment options, catering to diverse customer preferences globally. Utilizes machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions effectively. Designed to handle high transaction volumes, making it suitable for large enterprises. Offers real time insights into transaction data, helping businesses make informed decisions. The pricing model may not be as cost effective for small businesses compared to competitors. The initial setup can be complicated and may require technical expertise. Customization features are not as extensive as some competitors, which may limit branding opportunities. Choosing between Stripe and Adyen depends on your specific needs. Stripe excels with its flexibility and extensive analytics, while Adyen offers a comprehensive solution for unified commerce. Consider your business model and payment requirements to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for the video.